another ZAIGLE product, Premium Dual Line. Thanks to your support, a new innovative product, the ZAIGLE Party Special, was born. With a compact and stylish square design, it can be used on the table for 24 hours, and the upper heating unit has a left-right rotation function for convenient cooking and tasting. Its oil receiver enables a simple cleaning after cooking, making it an everyday eco-grill. It provides various cooking pans for various dishes, and its one-touch power lever makes the firepower control simple. The upper part uses infrared lamp heating method, and the lower part uses the sheath heater, heated wire heating method, which has high energy efficiency. It eliminates oil, has no smell or smoke, and reduces the oil splash, allowing a convenient indoor cooking. Enjoy pork belly, seafood, frozen food, fish, sausage without thawing, and grilled fish without the smell or smoke. You can enjoy all sorts of dishes such as fried chicken, beef, fried rice and barbecue, pasta, as well as shabu-shabu hot pot and cheese potato gratin by using all 4 different pans. When cooking is almost finished, turn the upper infrared heating part to automatically turn off the heat and switch it to the warming mode. ZAIGLE Party Special allows you to enjoy various dishes conveniently and neatly, anytime, anywhere. It is very useful for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and late-night snacks. These advantages make it very suitable to use it in commercial restaurants. The owner can easily install it on the restaurant table without the ventilation equipment, reducing the investment cost, and the customers can enjoy the essence of unique barbecue cuisine of cooking and tasting. Because ZAIGLE cooks the food from inside, making it healthy and without harmful gas. With eco-friendly ZAIGLE Special, enjoy a new food culture.